How to generate traffic to Shopify Store. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. First of all, navigate to your Shopify admin. Once you do that, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen. From the menu, click on Marketing. Click on Marketing again. When this page opens, scroll down to Marketing Apps. And here you will find a large list of apps that will help you to get more traffic to your store. They will allow you to increase sessions, engage shoppers, and promote products. Depending on your skills, go ahead and pick the app, marketing tool and method that suits you the best. Get your products in front of shoppers on Pinterest. For example, you can reach shoppers and get discovered across Google. Or you can grow your business with shoppable ads on Snapchat and so on. You can even find and use more marketing apps by clicking on the button at the bottom. You will land on this page where you can find even more apps and tools such as Facebook, TikTok and so on. Now as you can see, there's a lot of marketing apps within the Shopify platform, but you can always use other apps such as Instagram ads or YouTube videos to get the job done. And that's it. That's how to generate traffic to Shopify Store. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.